Okay, so I'll show you how to do the male and female graphs just for the weight. So let's get rid of height. Okay, I'm going to move my little timer over. Okay, so this is our, this is our data sheet. Although, I guess it really doesn't matter. We can put everything on the same sheet if we want to. Okay, so we've got just the weight and the males and females, and we're working under the assumption that we've already got our descriptive statistics done. So the input range, good. It's got a label. Output range, let's put it here. Oops. Output to here. I do that all the time. Okay, we want the summary statistics. Boom. Okay. And what if we do that so that they're the right length? In fact, we can even make it a little bit longer so it fits all the words from the top. Good. Okay. The point of that was so we could get this min and max, because that's what we're using when we create our bins. Okay, so let's say the bins. And bins are just what columns you're going to have, what categories you're fitting everything into. So we're going to say, since it's 114, we'll do 114 to 120, 120 to 130, and actually you can even tell Excel, once you get going, you can tell Excel to do the rest for you. And the maximum is 170, so let's go up to 180. Alright, and when we're doing this, there's actually 4 steps. First we want to separate, then we want to count frequencies, then we want to bring together, then we want to graph. Alright, so if we get cut off, you should be able to pick back up from where we left off. Alright, so first we want to separate. We've got males and females all jumbled together here. I think the fastest way, and most of you might be familiar with this if you used Excel. Oops, that won't work. I've got to go to this column and do a filter. And we're going to filter out the males for the time being. Now because some of these rows are hidden, I would recommend putting your, starting your data down here. So female weights. So we're going to use that shortcut they taught us in the video. You hold down Alt and you press semicolon. That's going to grab just the ones that you can see. Alright, and then we'll do the same thing to the males. Male weights. And, you know, you can always make those columns wide enough that you can see what's going on. Grab just the males. Okay, Alt semicolon. Control C, Control V. Now we've got the females, we've got the males. We'll double check the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 2 spaces, knowing that we've got 11 females. Of course, now my dogs want to start fighting each other. Alright, let's just clear filter. In fact, let's turn off the filter. Okay, so now we've separated. We're good with that first step there. Alright, now we want to count the frequencies, and Excel calls that histogram. So we'll do a histogram. The input we want to use was right here. Oopsies. The bins we want to use are right here. And we want to output it to, I don't know, we can put it here. Why not? Oops, I do that every time. We want to output to right here. Somewhere. Alright. And we're not going to do a chart on this. We just want the table. Dogs, cut it out. Alright, I'm going to finish this and pick back up in the middle.